A half-domed stone of about 1 centimeter in diameter. Some little crystals. Mine is about 2 millimeter in diameter. Wires of 20 and 24 gauge wire. Also a ring mandrel or any other cylindrical shapes. And the main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and flush cutter is needed. As you know, one of the most important things in making a wire ring is to know the length of your finger. So pick up a paper tape, wrap it all around your finger, and then spread it out. Pick up your 20 gauge wire, make it straight, and cut it out in about 2.5 times of this size, and repeat this for 3 strands. Then pick up the thinner wire of 24 gauge and start making weaving part at the middle. Just like this, put it on these 3 strands and wrap it one time. The first wrapping part is so important to be tight, so check it out and squeeze it with chain nose pliers and then repeat it for the second, third, and so on. After every time a while, check it out to be squeezed well and also to check these 3 strands to be all straight and continue weaving on both parts till you get to the length of your ring size. But meanwhile, leave a space in between because we are going to make a wire wrapping on both strand sides. You will see, just like this, put it on the sign that you had marked on your ring mandrel. Put these 3 strands on each side just besides together like this, and again put it on the ring mandrel and squeeze it a little to be put onto the surface of this ring mandrel. Then these 2 parts is going to be set just side to side, and we are going to make a wire wrapping which embraces all of these 6 strands. So pull the wire, insert it into the ring, pull it again to keep these strands well. Every time you do this, just check it out to be squeezed well onto these main structures and also to the previous wire wrapping part. So you could do that with your chain nose pliers or with your nails to squeeze them and to be put neat and tight. And do that till you get to the other side. Now we have this weaving part that attached the 2 sides of the ring and also is the place where the bead or stone is going to be put. I'm using a ceramic bead, but you could use any other beads or stones as you desire. Pick up a piece of paper tape, and this is going to keep the stone or bead tight to make it easier wrapping the wire all around. Okay, I'm going to wrap all of these 3 strands one after the other. This is the first one, and I'm going to make it curved and also squeeze it as well to be attached onto the stone or bead, and then insert it into the ring to make a tie. Of course, it's easier to use your round nose pliers to curve it better, and at the end to make a tie there. After the first wire strand, we are going to wrap the second one. And this is the place I'm going to insert my little crystal beads. But before, let's to cut the thinner wire out and then to insert them. Mine is about 5 little crystals. It may differ depending on your sizes. Again, insert the extra part of the second strand into the ring, bend it, and then fasten it out at the end. But before, bend the last one and curve it just besides the last row. Insert it and wrap all of these 3 around the ring and fasten it out. We are going to do the same for these 3 strands below. So I'm going to wrap them and add those crystals. You wrap the extra parts all around the ring and squeeze them well. And that would be the look at the end. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial and make this fabulous, beautiful wire ring for yourself or to buy. Take care and bye-bye.